In problem number 25, at a movie, a quarter of the people in the theater were men, and 5/8 were women, and the rest were children. So we're going to start off by making a fraction bar that's broken into fourths, but we also need it to be broken into eighths, and eighths is again just taking each fourth and breaking it down into halves, where 1/4 would be one solid square and 1/8 would be a half of a solid square. Alright, well, we know that 1/4 of the people in the theater were men. So we mark off a quarter of the people in the theater, and then 5/8 were women. That would be 1, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, and 5/8. And that's the number of women. And the rest are children. So the green area would represent the children. If there were 100 more women than children, well, how would we figure out what that means? Well, notice that there's only one green box. So if there were the same number of women and children, there would be one green and one red. All the rest of the red ones are more women than children. And we're told that there's 100 more women than children. So if there was one box each for women and children, there would be the same amount. All the red boxes beyond that one box then are more women than children. And so we know that that's 100. And since that 100 is broken up into 4/8 or 1/2, we know that each eighth has to refer to 25, which means that there are 8 times 25, or 200, total people in the theater. There were 50 men, 125 women, and 25 children.